Hi guys, it's me, Mark, and I'm here in Rojas City, and that is my brother's clinic, which is under renovation. It'll open sometime next month, and well, I don't know what else to say. That's just about it. But the purpose of this video is to actually scare Ate Christy, so she doesn't know that I'm actually standing right here on the other side of the car. So she's watching TV on her cell phone. I'm going to try to sneak inside the car and try to give her a scare. I hope I'd be able to scare her real good. I'm going to try to open the door, if I can open it without her noticing it.
I've heard about this island kasi may friend ako na yung family ng boyfriend niya, meron silang membership dyan. Parang they bought it a long time ago. So sabi ko, saan siya? Okay, so pwede ba ako mag-bump na? Pwede ba ako yung how do you get there? Parang nagpa-private plane sila to get there. Parang social naman siya. Alam mo, siya.
Nagulat ka, Ate Christy?
Akala kasi Tito Pumpoy mo.
Ay, ambot!
Ayun pala siya. Yung kumisa, nakatayo na pala siya sa likuran ko, nagte-text ako.
Yung binuksan ko yung pintuan, hindi mo napansin? O, napansin mo?
Nagpunta ka dito eh. Ano, dumaan ka dun.
Ay, ambot, Jed. Hindi ka nagulat.
At gimbutan ko diri sa pinaka-printing na si Piran.
Okay, that's all guys. It wasn't that good of a scare, but I guess that's good enough. Bye guys.